Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miriam. Welcome. Today's video I have a baby room transformation for you guys. So the client knew exactly what she wanted and how she wanted her son's room to look, but she was having a hard time kind of bringing everything together and bringing it to light. So I was basically there just to help her bring her thoughts and her vision to life. So you'll see that she's very hands-on, and I like to encourage clients to get involved in the project because it makes the project just a little bit more special when they know that they were involved and they did something to enhance the space, especially when it's your home. So check out the video, let me know what you guys think, leave me a comment below of what you thought of the video, and let's get right into it. You want to be in my video? Okay, sure. He has a lot of space in here too.
You think so?
Yeah. Yeah, he do. And that's the closet, right?
Well, if you call it that, needs help and love, that's why you're here.
Okay.
You're Dad. Dad,
Yeah, this way.
Dad, people.
And this is my friend Shannon. This is going to be Angel's room. Say hi, Angel.
Say hi.
Okay, so.
I can't go in it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Mama, that's not safe though.
I can't go in it.
Are you hiding?
I can't go in it.
So we're going to Home Depot to get some paint for the room right now. Shannon, are you excited?
So excited. Girl to boy.
Alright, so we're going to the store. It's raining. It's raining, and scratch that. We're going to Lowe's instead. So that's where we're headed.
That's probably
I think
close.
that's the trim. That's the trim. And then what about if we do that as the room? The lighter one. Or do you want to go with blues?
I don't know.
The blues are... The light blues that'll look good. It'd be like
I like
these.
this one right here.
I like that.
I like this too.
That'll look really good with the gray.
Okay, so Summer Breeze.
I like the name too.
The what?
I like the name too. So for every project that I participate in, I like to purchase the client something or make them something to go in the space that I'm working on. It's just my way of showing thank you to them for choosing me to take on this project for them. So for this project, it was this shelf that you're seeing right now. I did find it on a great price, so I did purchase it for the client, and I knew that it would go great with the room that we're doing, the theme.